สวัสดีค่ะเพื่อนๆตะกี้เราทำงานอยู่ใช่ไหมแล้วตอนนี้ออกมาเพราะว่ามีเบรกประมาณ15นาทีช่วงที่ทำงานประมาณ10นาทีก่อนจะเบรกเนี่ยเราก็ได้ยินเสียงข้างๆบ้านใช่ไหมเหมือนมีคนดังก็แก๊กก็แก๊กแล้วก็เหมือนคิดว่าจะเป็นคนทำความสะอาดสระใช่ไหมมาแล้วก็เปิดประตูเกตอยู่ข้างๆบ้านเข้าไปเข้ามาแต่ว่ามันรู้สึกว่ามันนานมากแล้วก็ได้ยินเสียงเหมือนมีการติดอะไรอยู่ข้างบ้านแล้วก็ได้ยินเสียงคนเม็กซิกันพูดแล้วก็เปิดเพลงเสียงดังมากเราก็เลยเกิดอะไรขึ้นพอเสร็จจากเบรกเสร็จจากทำงานใช่ไหมช่วงเบรกเราก็เลยออกไปดูแล้วเราก็เห็นมีคนเขาเอาพลาสติกมาคลุมอยู่ตรงหน้าต่างของบ้านนี่แหละแล้วเราก็เลยเดินอ้อมเข้าไปแล้วก็บอก what the hell เห็นเป็นคนเม็กซิกันนะคะเป็นคนงานเขากำลังติดพลาสติกที่หน้าต่างของข้างบ้านเราแล้วมันเสียงดังมากเราก็เลยเดินเข้าไปถามเขาว่า what are you doing you know and then he just came and say oh I'm sorry you know that house you know the one that having the construction is going to paint their house so we're just going to cover all the neighbors windows around there just the one or two houses down from the left and the right from that house so you know the spray painting is not going to spread all over to our house which I find it very helpful that he tried to do that but I wasn't told I was not aware of the situation so I just thought someone was trying to break into the house so that's why you know I went out to ask him and then I came back inside took a couple pictures and then I called my husband and said hey Lee, are you aware of the situation because you know when I went outside I heard someone was doing something on the side of the house I was not aware of that I thought it was our pool guy but you know he stayed for a long period of time and it was so loud I was in the middle of the call and when I finished that call they came out and went look around the house and I saw the guy was doing something and we were not told I know it's the neighbor's house because he's doing some construction he is I don't know but you know but nobody can just walk deliberately to somebody's house and do stuff like this because this is uncalled for it's not acceptable but I calmed down I told my husband that okay you need to come back home now because I'm gonna go back to work I don't have a lot of time so you know just so that you know and my husband said well right before he left the house this morning I saw a black truck yes it's a work truck it's still here and there's another white one right in front of our house that and he saw some Mexican workers here he didn't say anything you know the workers didn't say anything about the other house was repainting the house or whatsoever so you know that's why my husband was so surprised too so he's on the way home and I'm going back to work and I look outside it looks like the guy the worker that I just talked to just put the cover the sunscreen cover back to our windows but I don't know because I don't have a lot of time so you know that's why I got a surprise this morning and I'm not so happy about it too alright so I got to go back to work keep you updated later okay bye guys สวัสดีค่ะ